The latest Pardot release is upon us. We're so excited. This is one of the special ones where we start to see some real tangible material upgrades to the platform. I hear the one coming up next is epic. This one within itself provides some really functional improvements, one of which we're covering off today, improved prospect mailability information. So you'll be able to see who's hard bounced, who's actually opted out, and it'll actually be segmented in a way that's really easy to consume the info. And actually in this video, we go through and implement this new functionality in front of you for the first time, so you can see exactly how we've gone about it. And hopefully I didn't make any mistakes. Enjoy.
Pardot Ninja.
Hey everyone, today is a great day. Pardot's Summer 21 release is out, and the first feature that we want to talk about is the improvements to prospect mailability. Specifically, the ability to actually now see in more detail why someone might be unmailable, and then how you can actually get greater segmentation around the difference between someone that's unmailable because of a hard bounce or someone that's unmailable because they've actually opted out. And then you can actually, for those that have either or, you can take particular actions. But for this particular episode, we wanted to just, before we set it up for ourselves, we wanted to take you through what the setup looks like, and I'd imagine it is quite basic. So you're gonna get presented with a button here to get started. Okay. Review the information by clicking the link. So we're gonna review the information. Okay, now I have read all of this. I'm not going to sit here and read it to you, but I'd encourage you to go to the Salesforce help and read this information yourself. There you go. So it's now updated. Obviously, you'll also be presented with this, and you'll be able to have a look at what the updates actually are for this summer release. We'll make some more videos very shortly about some of the other features that we want to take you through. Okay, so we're back sooner than we thought. So you can see, for anyone that's that knows Pardot well, you can see some changes immediately. Even just the way that it looks has changed. And then they've added in this section here, so you'll be able to see your status, whether any other prospect has the same email address. And this is quite important. I really like this feature. If they've opted out, and it specifically shows what it's referring to, and then if it's set to do not email, and it's showing exactly why they'd be set to yes in this instance. And then they've separated whether it's soft bounce or hard bounce. So you can see here on my test record that you immediately get greater information, and you can actually start to automate off of some of this as well, I believe as well. So we're going to have a bit of a play, and we'll come back to you when we know more. Cheers. Hey guys, thanks for watching that episode. We hope you got a lot of value out of it. Please don't forget to subscribe and engage with the content, because a lot of it is driven by you guys, the user. So we need to know your feedback. Cheers.